Welcome back, and I hope everyone had a good weekend. Um, in this video today, we're going to just go over a lot actually. We're going to create a splash screen logo which shows um, before the game starts, as well as an age prompt just to state that hey, this game is 18 plus, and it will show some spicy content as well. So just to give the viewer a yes or no question if they want to proceed or not. Yes, obviously we'll continue the game, and no, we'll quit the game, as well as intro into the background, just um, background images such as soon as we start the game, the player location will be in the player's room. So let's go ahead and get started with this. Just show you where we are at right now. Just where we left off is we've gone ahead and fixed the loading slot machines, the save slots. So we shifted it over just a bit, as well as added a delete persistence data button. And then clicking start obviously shows the generated message that Ren'Py has created for us. Okay, so for the splash screen that we want to show, I have gone ahead and created this. Obviously, it's nothing too fancy, nothing good. Just a simple text on a colored background, and I just wanted to create something quick. That way I could show you how to set it up. Of course, yours will be different, I hope, and better, but I believe this kind of ties in with what we are creating. So let me go ahead and add it. So for the splash screen, it is going to be a label. So in order to initialize it, what to call it, if I could type, is splash screen. And we're going to show splash logo. And I want to have a dissolve on it as well. Pause 1, because that's how long it will show for. Then we got to hide the splash logo. And I'm going to hide it with a dissolve. Okay. So there should be something wrong with this if you are used to coding and know what to look out for. So you should know what to expect after running this code. And if that's what you expected, then good job. If not, then yes, that's what happens. And obviously that is not what we want to show. So obviously, Ren'Py looks for splash logo, and there's no image attached to this splash logo definition, so it is going to just show that temporary background that we just saw. And let's go ahead and add it to our game directory. So in the YouTube VN game, or whatever you have it called, go into the game directory, go into images, and we're just going to drag and drop the splash.jpg into it. Next, we're going to go ahead and define it and call it. So let's go ahead and call the splash logo is equal to splash.jpg. Okay. Now, if for instance, if your splash is in, let's say, like in a folder called background or GUI or overlay or whatever the case may be, you obviously would need to put whatever the folder is called. So that'd be folder name / this. So whatever the folder is called, followed by the image. But since we don't have it in a folder, we can just leave it like this. And if we run it, it should show the image as it does. And okay. Now it's starting into the start label, which shouldn't be the case. So why is this? That is because we are not returning to the main menu, as it says, with this, and then when we click on this, it returns to the main menu. So let's go ahead and get that fixed. Let's add in a return. And now when we go ahead and run the game, it shows the logo and returns to the main menu. Fantastic. Okay. Next is going to be the age prompt, which states that this game is, 18 plus and so on and so on. We're going to go ahead and create an age prompt.rpy. And here we are going to create a screen called age prompt. Okay. And I'm going to make it a VBox because this is going to be vertical. I want to surround it with a frame. I'm going to add a style to it. Call it age prompt. And I'm going to add in another VBox. And here I'm going to add in the text. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the text. I'm going to go ahead and pause this recording. That way I can add in everything. That way it's not as long as it can be. Of course, if you are a Patreon supporter, you will see this in its full-fledged unedited glory. So yeah, I will go ahead and type it all out, and I'll see you when I get back. Alright, I've gone ahead and added all the text as I should. This is what it looks like. Of course, on the Patreon video, it will look completely different than this, just a little tad bit different. Just to follow YouTube guidelines, I had to change up a few words. But this is what it should show. So next, I want to add in the button that the viewers can go ahead and click. So backspace out of this, and I create another VBox. Style, prefix, age, confirm, text. Do you understand and wish to continue? Awesome. And then type in HBox. This is where the yes or no button is going to be. And it's going to be yes. And no. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and obviously to make this text button actionable, which the player can click on, I'm going to go ahead and add an action, and I'm going to do a return. That way it returns to the previous screen. And action, I'm going to go ahead and quit. Confirm. This is the confirm message is like, are you really wanting to quit? And I'm just going to just say false. Because if I show true, it will prompt them, the user if they do want to quit or not. Okay. So I want to call it right after it shows the splash logo. Just as we shown the splash logo, we're going to do show screen this time in age prompt, and that's going to be with the dissolve. And in order to make the screen clickable, that way the user can interact with it, we're going to add in a function starting with the $sign UI.interact. And of course, if you want to read it, it causes an interaction with the user and returns the result of that interaction, and that's what we want. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and hide the screen of age prompt with a dissolve. And what we should have is this. Yes, okay. Fantastic. So this is what we should have, and if the player clicks yes, it should take us to the main menu, which is fantastic. Um, and if the player clicks no, it will obviously quit the game. Cool. I'm looking at the time. It looks like we are about to hit that 50-minute mark. So I'm going to go ahead and end things off here. And in the next video, we can go ahead and make this and stylize it a little bit more better. That way, it's in the center of the screen and everything. And then go into creating a background as well. So with that being said, I do hope that you found this video helpful. Please give it a like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions, concerns, or anything that you just want to say negative or anything like that. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Patreon page if it is up. If not, be on the lookout for it. But that being said, I'll see you in the next video.